Hello guys, welcome back to my channel.
Today, I'm going to share a super crispy and juicy zinger burger recipe with you all. And the best part is, even without cheese. This burger tastes incredibly delicious. So let's get started with today's amazing homemade zinger burger recipe. So I took zinger burger buns. Look how cute these buns are. The top looks so soft and pretty, and the bottom side is perfect too. Oh wow, just look at these buns. They look so cute and sweet. It's so soft and squishy. Look how fluffy and pretty it is from the inside too. 3 eggs with some spices. 1 teaspoon salt, 0.1 teaspoon chili flakes, 0.1 teaspoon red chili powder, chopped green chilies, and coriander. And mix well. 3 tomatoes, 2 cucumbers, chop them. Now transfer them to a plate. It's ready. I added oil to the pan. Now, let's fry the egg mixture. Now, flip the side. Oh wow! This looks amazing! And now dish it out. Let's go, it's ready. Now fry the buns. It's ready, dish out. I've fried the buns and the eggs too. I placed 1 egg piece on the bun. Repeat the same process for the second one. Now add 4 tomato slices on both bun sides. Add 4 cucumber slices on both. Now, add tomato ketchup. Finally, they're ready. Now cover them and let's test. So guys, finally our super delicious burger is ready. Even without cheese, it tastes absolutely amazing. Once you try it, you'll want to eat it again and again because it's so beautiful and full of yummy aroma. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, and yes, don't forget to watch my old videos, share, and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss any of my new videos.